It's Sunday, March 2018. This is the third time this week that somebody has been trespassing my property, coming into the yard and outside of the yard and digging up the roots of all of my shrubs. First, they doused them with chemicals, cut the branches off, and now they're actually digging up roots to intentionally kill the plants. They did it here, and they're doing it here. I don't know if you can see that it appears as if somebody had a pick and was picking at the mulch all over here. And then I found bulbs and leaves tossed in the front of my house. So you can see they're digging up the roots. And these are not animals. The only animals that are digging these up are humans. They're perps. One just sped by the house right now. They've been disabling the cameras. And no, we're not just going to sit down and take this. They are filing multiple complaints, and everybody's getting sued. That's right, everybody. You're all getting sued for digging up my property and for violations of color of law. Police officers take an oath to protect people and property, and they have not, and this has been going on for more than 1 year. The detective, the lieutenant, the chief of police, the mayor, and the deputy mayor are all aware and do nothing. They do not act. In fact, they place false information in their police reports. Their neighbors are now involved. And we've got a couple of new neighbors that are definitely involved. Strange individuals coming and going, cars honking, my cameras, my fourth set of cameras are now disabled. 3 sets of locks. This is trespassing, at the very least, a minimum of $1,000 per instance. And that the police are covering it up, the mayor's covering it up, the deputy mayor, the chief of police, and have gone to my neighbors and asked them to help in destroying my property. But just for the record, they're not going to be protected when they get sued. Nobody's going to protect them. And they're covering their asses because they're getting paid by nonprofits to annihilate the competition because they're envious and jealous. And because I have a different ideology than them. And my ideology is that the pets come first. The animals come first. It's not about the money, it's about the care of the animals. But these people do not have that mindset. So instead, they evict me from a premises that I've been at for 16 years, spreading lies and rumors because it's a projection of their own illegal activities. And then they come and break into my house, perform an illegal search, go through every drawer, ruin my clothes, food, harm the animals, kill some of them, and then systematically destroy the outside of the property. And you can see what they've done to this tree. You see the slices? And you see the branches gone? There are more than 22 branches that were removed. You see the small surface, smooth surface? That's what the entire tree should look like. But they have sliced it here, and here, and here, and here, and here. You can see the slices. We don't have deer here. And then you can see that somebody scorched the leaves. These leaves are supposed to be green, and they're brown, and they're suffering. Can you see that? And then this tree out here, this is a magnolia, and you see what they did to this tree? You feel the branches. Now I don't have my shoes on, otherwise I'd go there, but you can see right here, this is cut, freshly cut. I haven't trimmed it, but they have. Here you go. You see this? And this? And this? And you see the half moon there? That's all over the place. That's etched in my furniture. It's etched in the trees. You can see slice marks here. And you can see somebody used a pick or some device on here. Completely harmed this 30-some-odd-year tree. Infected it. They've been picking at it. You can see holes in it. This is not from insects. I've never seen a bug on this tree. It's virtually pest resistant. It resists animals, except humans. The human animal it can't resist. And I'm holding Manalapan Township, Manalapan Police, and every neighbor that saw something and didn't report it. They are in collusion, conspiracy, and partners in crime. If you see something, say something. Well, you know what? I've been saying something for 2 years. 2 years. And the police have done absolutely nothing but cover it up. Because they're covering it up for their friends, the cat killers. See, here you go. They tore this branch off, this branch, this branch, this branch, this one, this one, this one, this one. And you can see right here, and my feet are getting wet, they tore this branch off, obviously here. I'm just going to leave it there, and there, and there. Okay, Manalapan Township, I hope your pockets are really deep, because you're getting fucking sued to the hilt.